When you come to the end of a lesson, there's a couple options for printing out your score summary. So first off, make sure you enter your name. Now if I do print certificate, you'll see what I get is a certificate that tells me I've completed above 70%. This won't be what I need because it doesn't tell me what score you actually got. So what I would like you to do is do print score summary. So print score summary, as you can see, tells me that I passed because I got over 70% and I got a 6 out of 6. So now we need to print it. Well, you can always just go ahead and print it if you're hooked up to a printer and turn in the hard copy in class, and that's fine. The other option, if you right click and go to print, notice that you're going to have an option of printers. Most computers have the option now of printing to an Adobe Pdf. So I'm going to select that and click OK, and it's going to ask me where I want to save it. So I will save it to my hard drive. Click Save. And what it does is it generates a PDF of my score, which you can email as an attachment. Now, if for some reason that's not an option, you could also save it as an image. One way of doing that, there's multiple ways, one way of doing that is to do a print screen. So you have print screen on your keyboard. If you hit print screen, it's automatically going to capture your entire screen. Now you need to open some kind of web or some kind of photo editing software. So for instance, I might open Microsoft Paint, and now I'm going to paste in my image, and you only need to send me the score. You don't need to send me everything, so you might want to crop it, or you could just save it as is. That's fine. All I need is the score. So I'll go to the top corner, and I'll do a file, save as, and save it as a PNG, a JPEG, a bitmap, whichever you want. Save it to your desktop and email it as an attachment. So those are a couple of options besides actually printing out a hard copy, especially if you're on a printer or a computer that's not hooked up to a printer.